ate a breakfast of champions, a zebra cupcake that we got from Mara last night. Ironically, Tom and Sue ate that. Tommy and Fiona didn't have any breakfast, so we're like super parents of the year. I don't know if we had explained this earlier in the week, but we decided for this trip we were just going to do water parks. Our annual passes expired, and we decided we didn't want to pay for new tickets, so we went for a cheaper option, which is an annual water park pass, and that gives you access to both water parks for 1 year. So we're doing that instead, and it's just kind of giving us a more relaxing vacation. And of course, since this is
sort of,
well, yeah, it's more relaxing than the parks because you get a little bit of a later start and you're in bed at a reasonable time. So yeah, I think it's more relaxing in general. So,
yeah, probably so.
Yeah.
It's not like staying at a park something or whatever.
Plus, it's so high here, so it's a great. In June, it's so hot. It's a great time to just do water parks. I wouldn't want to be at the parks. All right, we'll catch you guys there.
Alrighty, guys. We're at Disney's Blizzard Beach. And I think I like take me one game better. That's where we were just at yesterday. Here we go. Into the park.
Rope drop for Blizzard Beach. This is where they have us waiting till the park opens. Not too bad of crowds today. At Rope Drop, I think they typically have someone go down that slide, open up the park. We'll see if that happens. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Come on, don't chicken out.
Chicken.
Yeah! Woo!
So here's our spot at Blizzard Beach. Got some chairs. Real close to the kiddie pool over there.
It's not the real kiddie pool. It's like the juniors pool.
The juniors pool.
Yeah, I don't know what the word. Like, it's not for the really little kids, but like Tommy and Fiona's age kids. So, like, adults aren't supposed to use that area unless they're accompanied by a kid. So it's kind of a family area, basically. But it's nice because Tommy and Fiona can go play and we can relax here while they play.
Bathrooms.
The really
50 feet
kids
away.
area is over that way. It's called Tyke's Peak. Adorable play on words.
All right, let's go on some slides.
Like, if the rope breaks, we will die. For sure. I'll see you in a little bit when we're all the way at the top. That yellow line. Go ahead. White arrow.
See if I can do this without getting hurt. It's hard when you have a sticky swimsuit on.
Alright guys, arms up please. Left bar's coming up automatically. As soon as you guys hit that yellow line, go ahead and follow the white arrows all the way down to your exit, making sure the exit door closes behind you, please.
Alright, we're heading to the red slopes. It's really loud in here. I definitely think Disney water parks are a large upgrade from like a typical water park. It's very pretty, like landscaping and theming.
Mostly empty pocket neighborhoods.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Pocket neighborhoods. There's a lot of stairs to go up for Runoff Rapids. Enough stairs for you guys? Gotta burn all those calories to eat some homecoming. Oh, we're finally at the top.
I'm alone and I'm gonna go see the giraffes. I'll see you when I get down there. You can see a little bit of the giraffe, but it's like hiding behind the bamboo. Like, can't you see? This is popsicles. This is a stick. Can't you see it?